What's up, everybody? So today, in this video, I will reset the engine oil change required light on the 2008 to 2023 Dodge Challenger. I'll show you two ways to reset it, so you can choose the best one for your car, even if the goal is the same. So let's get right into it. This is the fastest and easiest way to reset oil life in this car. This method applies to most Dodge Challenger. So here's what we're gonna do. Step 1. Turn the ignition to the run position without starting the engine, or press the start button twice without stepping on the brake pedal. Step 2. Next, let's fully depress the gas pedal all the way down slowly 3 times within 10 seconds, and it'll reset the oil change reminder. Once you're done, let's turn off the ignition and start the car to verify that oil life is reset. If it is not reset, you can repeat it or try the second method. Alright, this is the second method to reset your oil change light on a 2015 to 2023 Dodge Challenger. It's going to be through the cluster using the left side multifunction buttons. So let's try to do it. Step 1. Stick the key in and turn it to the run position, or press the start button twice. Step 2. Use the down button on the steering to scroll down to Vehicle Info menu. Step 3. Then we're going to use the left or right button to scroll to the oil life. Step 4. Finally, press OK and hold it down so you'll get the 100%. Alright, so now that we have the message cleared, you can find the instructions in the owner manual as well. So leave the comments below or share this video if this helped you out. I'll really appreciate it. Thanks for watching and happy driving.